Hey guys, it's Rhonda Brazowick here. For those of you who don't know me, I wanted to come on here today and make this short video about a new app that I found. It's great if you're looking to be an influencer or looking to get into doing some sponsorships on TikTok or Instagram. It is a free app, so I'm all about sharing free things or low-cost things with everybody if you're looking for a little extra ways to earn money. So I am going to do a video. I'm going to attach it next and show you exactly how this app works. Hope you like it. Okay guys, it's Rhonda. I'm back here again today to show you a new app that I found and just started using to get sponsorships, like I was talking about. So this app is called 𝐕sponsored. You can see it on the bottom right corner, or like in the middle of my screen there. It's orange. It's got a white circle with the squiggly lines. It says 𝐕sponsored. And this is an app that you can go on if you are looking to be an influencer or you're looking to get some branding and sponsorships on, especially on Instagram. And I'm going to open my app up and show you guys exactly how this works. It is free to sign up. So you can see it says, welcome Rhonda, discover sponsorships. On the bottom left, you have discover, the sponsorships you're doing, any earnings you've made, and your personal profile, which has your personal information. So we are on the discover page, and this is where you come to see what sponsorships they have available for you to do. So right now they have a bunch here. There's Travelzoo, there's Pebblebee, Ecobee. So I just scroll through these every day and I see if they've added anything new that I might be interested in. So I'm just going to go down and show you. There's approximately between 10 to 20 every day, depending, you know, what your interests are, what you do online, things like that. There's different things that you can apply for. So I'm going to show you a couple different things. You should probably have around 5,000 or so followers on Instagram. Okay. Some of these will say that you have to have 10,000 or more followers, but they will tell you. So I'm going to go to the Joyride harness at the bottom because I do post about my dog. We're going to look at this. So you get a $40 free product, and then you get a $60 sponsorship bonus. So what are the requirements? It tells you right here. You need to do one Instagram feed video and one Instagram story, $25 for each of those. You also get a bonus for the product purchase of $5. Okay, so that's what you get. Here was what you have to do. These are the instructions. You have to buy the product with a prepaid card, submit the required content, complete a closing survey, and then you will get paid for your bonuses. So if this interests you, you're going to click on apply at the bottom here. It's going to say, do you want a free harness? Do you have a pet? It's going to ask you different questions on everything, okay? So it says the campaign requires an in-feed Instagram video or TikTok video for this one. Are you comfortable with posting one? So that's where the $35 is going to come in if you say yes there, okay? It's also going to, almost on all of these, it's going to have a thing that takes you to see the product. So I'm going to click on this at the bottom and that little square with the arrow. It is going to take me to the product so I can read about it. Okay, and this way I can see, is this a product that I'm going to be really interested in doing? Like, does it pertain to my lifestyle or, you know, whatever I'm looking to promote? Okay, sorry about that. So if it doesn't, then you just go back into the app and you can just hit back, go back out of here, go back to the sponsorships and just ignore that one. If you have a kid, there might be toys here. There's some herbal supplements, digital thermometer. I think this is one I just want to show you guys. Here's a digital thermometer. It's going to tell you what the instructions are again to apply. So sometimes when you come on here, okay, this is not one of them, but as you can see, there's the link to the digital thermometer that you can get. I'm trying to show you guys one that has a requirement that's a little bit higher. So let me see here. Usually on the ones that are more expensive, let me see if I can find one for you. Here's the requirements here when I click apply. Okay, this one doesn't have one either. So sometimes they will say, like, you need to have at least 5,010 followers, or you need to have at least 10,000 followers. It's going to give you all these instructions on here. Okay, I'm going to go to my sponsorships. It's going to tell you what's active. Like I said, I just started it, so I do not have any active yet. These are ones that I've applied for. There's a Husqvarna automatic lawnmower. Here's some seasonings. Here's a milk bar for, it's a healthy bar. Here's a camera that I applied for. Okay, so this tells you what you have applied for, so you know, like I said, what you have active. And then once you've completed them, it's going to show you your completed ones so that you can keep track of those and keep track of your payment. I literally just started this a couple weeks ago. I was just told about it. A lot of these sponsorships, they do say they take between 2, 4, sometimes 6 weeks. They wait till they get a whole bunch of applications, and then they decide who they want to give them to. They will be checking out your Instagram or your TikTok. As you saw, the one did have a TikTok, you know, that you could post a video there. So they will check them out to make sure you have the followers that you say you're having, and you do put in your information in your profile with all of your social media platforms that you want to have on here. But this is great. Like I said, it is free. This is a way to get some paid sponsorships to start getting yourself into that category. If you're looking to be an influencer and, you know, possibly get, you know, paid advertisements in the future, this is a great way to get started into that area. So I hope this helps. And I will, under this video, I will put a link to this app so that you can get directly on it. Let me see if I go to my profile here. So just to be completely transparent, you do get money for referring friends. So I like to be completely transparent when I have some sort of an affiliate offer. So you can see I'm a silver status right now, but you click on this learn more to refer your friends. You come here and you get a special link once you're on here that you can refer if you have people that you know that might be interested in doing something like that also. So it's kind of cool app that I just found, and I wanted to share it. I hope this is of interest to you. So let me know how you like this. And like I said, I will put my personal link below this video if you want to join this app and see if you can get some paid sponsorships for posting on your Instagram or TikTok. Thanks for watching.